Sloth. This little creature might look cute and cuddly, but don't be fooled, it's quite the trickster. As its name suggests, it moves at a glacial pace. Picture this, it takes more than 30 minutes to move just 5 feet. Their diet? Omnivorous. They feast on tree sap, nectar, fruits, and even insects or small birds. Slow as they are, their prey hardly notices them creeping up. When threatened, they bite or curl up, secreting poison from glands in their elbows. They even take this poison into their mouths, amplifying its effects when mixed with saliva. This poison carries a pungent odor, warding off predators. Ironically, it can also give them away when they're on the hunt. Among primates, they are the only one with venom. And that is a Sloth.